I'm going to give you a tour of a shop that I've never wanted to share with anyone simply because I've never let it get this bad. I retired a few years ago, and after I retired, I had a couple of health problems, got a pacemaker, spinal compression, I'm 70 years old, but I always wanted to retire and then spend time in my shop without any deadlines, enjoying myself. And I thought I would make videos occasionally and share them with people. Sharing tips seem to help people, and some of them seem to appreciate it. So here's my shop. It's not at all what I want, but I'm going to spend the next few weeks working to get it emptied out, cleaned up, organized, and then see about shooting some videos. I've got a couple in mind, but the fact that I'm showing this, I'm trying to shame myself into doing something about it. There was somebody on one of the Facebook groups today that has a shop that I don't know if it's worse or not, but we're in the same boat. And I thought I would share this because I really believe if you've been doing this more than 2 minutes, at some point, you've got your shop in this shape. And I'm going to get it back, and I'm going to start making some videos. I'm Chuck Cobb, and this is my shop.